If you're a coffee lover looking for the ultimate home brewing experience, the Philips 3200 series fully automatic coffee machine might be exactly what you need. This machine brings together the convenience of an automatic coffee maker with the quality of a cafe-style coffee, delivering rich flavors and perfect temperatures. With features such as the LatteGo Milk System, durable ceramic grinders, and an intuitive touch display, the Philips 3200 series ensures you get the most out of every cup. Let's dive into what makes this coffee machine a must-have for coffee enthusiasts. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Key features that make the Philips 3200 series stand out. 1. 5 delicious coffee options at your fingertips. Whether you prefer a classic espresso, a smooth Americano, or a frothy cappuccino, the Philips 3200 series can do it all. This coffee machine allows you to choose from 5 aromatic coffee options, including latte macchiato and hot water for tea. The variety means you can easily switch between different drinks depending on your mood or the time of day, making it perfect for anyone who enjoys trying out different coffee flavors. Number 2. Intuitive touch display for easy operation. The user-friendly intuitive touch display makes it incredibly easy to brew your favorite coffee. With just a touch, you can select your preferred coffee type and customize it to your taste. The controls are straightforward, even for those who are new to using automatic coffee machines. The touch display not only adds a modern touch to the machine's design, but also makes it easy for anyone in the family to prepare their preferred drink effortlessly. 3. LatteGo Milk System for creamy milk-based coffees. The LatteGo Milk System is one of the highlights of the Philips 3200 series. It's a 2-part milk system with no tubes, making it easy to assemble and clean. The system mixes milk and air at high speed in a round frothing chamber, then pours a creamy layer of milk froth directly into your cup at just the right temperature. Best of all, the LatteGo Milk System can be cleaned in as little as 15 seconds under the tap or placed in the dishwasher for added convenience. 4. Durable ceramic grinders for optimal flavor extraction. The Philips 3200 series features durable ceramic grinders that can last for up to 20,000 cups. These grinders ensure precise and consistent grinding, allowing for optimal flavor extraction from your coffee beans. Unlike metal grinders, ceramic grinders don't overheat, preserving the coffee's aroma and delivering a better tasting cup. Whether you enjoy a mild coffee or a strong espresso, you can customize the grind size to suit your taste preferences. 5. AquaClean filter for maintenance-free brewing. Hate descaling? With the AquaClean water filter, you won't need to descale your Philips 3200 series for up to 5,000 cups. The AquaClean filter removes impurities from the water, ensuring a clean and fresh taste with every brew. When the machine prompts you to replace the filter, simply swap it out to keep your coffee machine functioning at its best. This filter not only improves the coffee's flavor, but also extends the life of the machine. Why the Philips 3200 series is worth the investment. 1. Convenience. Without compromising quality. The Philips 3200 series allows you to enjoy the quality of cafe-style coffee at home with minimal effort. The fully automatic design takes the guesswork out of brewing, while still allowing you to personalize your coffee to your taste. You no longer have to sacrifice quality for convenience. This coffee machine delivers on both fronts. Number 2. Perfect for coffee lovers who value variety. With 5 coffee options and an easy-to-use touch display, the Philips 3200 series is ideal for households where different people prefer different drinks. Whether you're entertaining guests or simply want to enjoy a variety of coffee drinks throughout the day, this machine has you covered. The ability to switch between different coffee styles with just one touch adds a level of versatility that most traditional coffee makers can't offer. Number 3. Hassle-free cleaning and maintenance. Keeping your coffee machine clean is often a dreaded task, but with the LatteGo Milk System and removable brew group, maintenance is a breeze. The 2-part milk system has no hidden parts, making it easy to clean, while the removable brew group can be rinsed under the tap. Additionally, the AquaClean filter reduces the need for frequent descaling, allowing you to enjoy up to 5,000 cups before needing to perform any major maintenance. Considerations before purchasing. While the Philips 3200 series has numerous advantages, there are a few things to consider. Size. The machine is slightly larger compared to standard coffee makers, so make sure you have adequate counter space. Noisy grinder. The ceramic grinder, while durable and effective, can be a bit noisy. If you're sensitive to noise, this is something to keep in mind. Conclusion. Is the Philips 3200 series right for you? The Philips 3200 series fully automatic coffee machine is an excellent investment for anyone who wants to elevate their at-home coffee experience. Its blend of convenience, quality, and variety makes it perfect for coffee enthusiasts who enjoy trying different coffee styles without the hassle. From its intuitive touch display to the LatteGo Milk System, every feature is designed to make your coffee brewing process as enjoyable and straightforward as possible. If you're ready to upgrade your coffee routine, the Philips 3200 series is a smart choice. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.